All right, plant potion lovers, hold on to your succulents because we're about to embark on a green-tinged journey. That'll make your skin glow brighter than a firefly at a disco. Ever wondered what it would be like to bathe in nature's own rejuvenating elixir? Well, wonder no more! We're diving deep into the world of aloe vera, and trust me, it's about to get juicy. Picture this: ancient Egyptian queens, basking in the glow of their own radiance, all thanks to a spiky little plant that's been working its magic for over 6,000 years. That's right, folks. Aloe vera isn't just your grandma's sunburn remedy anymore. It's a bona fide beauty powerhouse that's been keeping secrets since before the Sphinx had a nose job. Now, before we unleash the green goddess, let's talk origins. Aloe vera, or true aloe if you're feeling fancy, hails from the sun-drenched Arabian Peninsula. It's been worshipped, traded, and slathered on by everyone from Cleopatra to Christopher Columbus. Talk about a plant with a passport! All right, let's get our hands dirty, or should I say slimy, with our first recipe, the facelift in a jar mask. Mix 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe gel with a teaspoon of honey and a pinch of turmeric. Slap that golden goodness on your face and prepare for a glow-up that'll make you look like you've been touched by Midas himself. Leave it on for 15 minutes, or until you can't resist licking it off your lips any longer. Growing tip: aloe vera is the drama queen of the plant world. It loves sunshine, but not too much. Think of it as a sun-worshipping vampire. Indirect light is its best friend. And remember, overwatering is the kiss of death for these succulents. Let the soil dry out completely between waterings, or you'll end up with aloe soup. Nobody wants aloe soup. Moving on to recipe number 2, the main Tamer Hair Mask. Blend half a cup of aloe gel with a ripe avocado and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Work this green dream into your locks from root to tip. Wrap your head in a warm towel and let it marinate for 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly and prepare for hair so silky, you'll be swishing it in slow motion everywhere you go. Warning: may cause spontaneous hair flips and an irresistible urge to star in your own shampoo commercial. Recipe 3, the Gut Glorious Gut Smoothie. In a blender, combine a 1/4 cup of aloe juice with half a cucumber, a handful of spinach, the juice of half a lemon, and a cup of coconut water. Blitz until smooth and sip your way to inner bliss. It's like a spa day for your insides. Detoxifying, alkalizing, and downright delicious. Your gut bacteria will be throwing a party, and trust me, you want an invitation to that shindig. For optimal aloe growth, plant your spiky friend in a terracotta pot with well-draining soil. These plants like it cozy, so don't be afraid to let them get a little root-bound. It's like they're giving themselves a hug from the inside out. Adorable, right? Recipe 4, the Sleep Like a Baby Night Cream. In a small bowl, mix a 1/4 cup of aloe gel with 5 drops of lavender essential oil and a tablespoon of shea butter. Whip it up until it's light and fluffy like clouds in a jar. Slather this dreamy concoction on your face before bed and wake up looking like you've had a full 8 hours, even if you spent half the night binge-watching your favorite show. Warning: may cause extreme relaxation and an inability to get out of bed in the morning. Recipe 5, the Bye Bye Blemish Spot Treatment. In a tiny container, mix a tablespoon of aloe gel with 2 drops of tea tree oil. Dab this potent potion on any pesky pimples that dare to show their faces. It's like kryptonite for acne, minus the green glow, unless you count the aloe. Your zits will be running for the hills faster than you can say, clear skin ahead. Now, recipe 6, the Sip and Glow Aloe Water. In a large pitcher, infuse 4 cups of water with a 1/4 cup of aloe juice, slices from half a cucumber, and a handful of fresh mint leaves. Let it chill in the fridge for at least an hour, allowing all those gorgeous flavors to mingle. It's hydration station meets internal spa treatment. Sip throughout the day and watch your skin transform from meh to marvelous. Now, a word to the wise when it comes to harvesting your own aloe. Always use the older outer leaves. They're like the wise elders of the plant, full of potent goodness. Cut them at the base and let the yellow sap drain before scooping out that precious gel. It's like mining for green gold, only slimmier. So there you have it, folks. 6 ways to unleash the power of aloe vera and transform your beauty routine from blah to brilliant. Who knew one plant could do so much? It's like having a spa, a pharmacy, and a smoothie bar all rolled into one spiky package. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got a date with a face mask, a hair treatment, and possibly a nap. Because let's face it, all this beauty business is exhausting work. Stay green.